Hi everyone, welcome to my next video. In this video, I will tell you about position vector and column vector. Now, we can represent our vectors into two forms. Either we can represent them as position vector form or column vector form. Now, what is the difference? I have shown a position vector over here. Now, my position vectors are OA and OB. OA, this is my one position vector, and OB, this is my second position vector. Now, as you can see, the starting point of both these vectors, OA and OB, is O. Now, what is O? O is the origin. Okay. So, if the starting point of any vector is the origin, then that vector is called a position vector. Okay, easy. Now, if I say my vector is A is equal to 2, 5. If I represent my vector like this, that means the coordinates of my vector is 2, 5, where 2 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. Okay. So, OA is my vector which has x coordinate at 2 and y coordinate at 5. Now, coordinates of OA will be 2 and 5. So, my x coordinate is 2 and my y coordinate is 5. Similarly, the second vector is OB. Now, what are the coordinates of OB? OB is 6 and 3. Okay, 6 and 3. That means I will represent my position vector as 6, 3. 6 will be the x coordinate, 3 will be the y coordinate. So, the x coordinate is 6 and the y coordinate is 3. So, what is a position vector? Any vector whose starting point is at origin. Okay, whose initial point is at origin is called a position vector. Now, we can also represent our vector in column vector form. Now, suppose I have a vector AB is equal to 3, 2. Okay, this is my vector AB is 3, 2. That means this 3 is x units and 2 is y units. Okay, so if this is my vector AB, the x coordinate, that means horizontal axis, will be 3 units and my vertical axis, which is y axis, will be 2 units. So, this is how you represent your column vector. Now, we can also find the magnitude of this vector AB. The formula is square root of x coordinate, square of the x coordinate plus square of the y coordinate. Now, what is the x coordinate? 3. So, 3 square plus y coordinate is 2 plus 2 square. So, 9 plus 4 is 13. So, square root of 13 is the magnitude of AB. And how do we write magnitude? Mod of AB. So, mod of AB is root 13. Look at example number 1. Now, we are given a column vector ST, which is 4 and 3. Find the magnitude of ST. Now, what is the formula to find magnitude of any column vector? It is square root of x units square plus square of the y units. Okay. That means 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, which is square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So, what is the magnitude of ST? Magnitude of ST is 5. Now, come to the next question. In this question, I have two column vectors. The first vector is 2 and 3. Okay, I have two coordinates. X coordinate is 2 units. Y coordinate is 3 units and the next vector q has coordinates 4 and 3. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Now you have to find first p plus q. First of all, write p. P is 2 and 3 plus q is 4 and 3. This is equal to, do normal addition. Add the x coordinates together and then add the y coordinates together. So 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3. This is equal to 6 and 6. So p plus q is 6 and 6. Now what is 2p plus 3q? 2 times p is 2, 3 plus 3 times q is 4 and 3. This is equal to, now do normal multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, we will multiply the scalar quantity with both the coordinates, with x as well as y. So I will get 4 and 6 plus 3 times 4 and 3 times 9. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9. This is equal to 4 plus 12, 16. 6 plus 9 is 15. So this is your second answer. Third question, find 4p minus q. So 4 times p is 2, 3 minus q is 4, 3. This is equal to 8, 12 minus 4, 3, which comes out to be 8 minus 4 is 4, 12 minus 3 is 9. So 4 and 9. This is your answer for third part. Look at example number 3. In this example, 3 column vectors are given, u, v and w. You have to find the value of 2u plus v. Okay. So write down 2 times, what is u? 6 and minus 8 plus what is v? Minus 9 and 10. This will be equal to 2 times 6, 2 times minus 8 plus minus 9 and 10. This will be equal to 12 minus 9 is 3, minus 16 plus 10 is minus 6. So this is your 2u plus v. Now in the second example, OA and OB are given. See, the starting point is O. That means this is a position vector. Okay. So what will be the coordinates of OA? Minus 2, 1. Coordinates of OB, 3, 4. Okay. Now you have to find OC. But the question says OC is equal to OA plus OB. Write down the value of OA. OA is as given in the question and OB is this. Now OC will be minus 2 plus 3, which is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is the value of OC. Look at the next question. It is given that OA is 8 and 6, OB is 3 and minus 2. I have to find the value of vector BA. First draw these two vectors, OA and OB. Okay, join the third side, AB. Now, the question is find BA. That means starting point is my B. So, I will make my arrowhead in the upward direction. Now, this becomes a triangle. You have 3 vectors, OA, OB and BA. Use triangle law. Triangle law says, triangle law says OB plus BA, vector OB plus vector BA is equal to OA, right? Because vector OB and BA, they are going in the same direction. And OA is going in the opposite direction. That means OA is the resultant. Now, I have to find BA. So, BA is equal to OA minus OB. Now, what is OA? As given in the question, OA is 8, 6 minus OB is 3 minus 2. Now, just subtract these two vectors. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus minus 2 is 8. So, the value of vector BA is 5 and 8. 5 is the x coordinate and 8 is the y coordinate. So like this, we can solve many more problems on vectors. In my next video, I will explain some more problems on vectors. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my channel. And if you want me to discuss some more topics, please write in the comment box.